Let's go find out what this thing is really made of.
You just get a shot down there.
Oh, crap. Swish.
I think that went in.
I did. Now we're gonna see what this thing can really handle. Yo, is this thing still alive? It's still turned on! It's still turned on! Oh my god. No. Oh Lord. Oh no. iPad's good! What? So if you're concerned or scared that you might drop your iPad, then you definitely should consider buying one of these. They should be like literally in every classroom across the world, because like we threw this thing, we dropped it, we ran over it with a freaking car, and it's still in flawless condition. Like you can do literally everything, it's flawless.
So after we intentionally tried to break this, we realized really quickly what kind of investment you would be making if you went with a rugged case. This is an absolutely incredible case that withstood a ton of destruction and damage. For more information about their accidental protection program and how to get your hands on one of these amazing cases, go to their website, rugged.com.